Tired of missing important calls on your iPhone? Today, I'll show you how to set up call forwarding on your iPhone, ensuring you never miss a beat, even when you're unavailable. First, locate the Settings app on your iPhone's home screen. It's the one with the gear icon. Tap on it to open. Now, scroll down through the list of settings until you find the phone option. It usually has a phone icon next to it. Tap on Phone to continue. In the phone settings menu, look for call forwarding. It might be a little further down the list, so keep an eye out. Once you spot it, tap on Call Forwarding. You'll now see the call forwarding screen by default. The call forwarding toggle is switched off. You need to activate it. Simply tap the toggle next to call forwarding to switch it on. The toggle should turn green, indicating that call forwarding is now enabled. Now, you'll see a forward to option appear below the toggle. Tap on Forward to. Here's where you enter the phone number you want your calls to be forwarded to. Use the number pad to type in the full phone number, including the area code. Make sure you enter it correctly to avoid any issues. Once you've entered the number, just tap the back arrow in the top left corner to return to the main call forwarding screen. You should see the number you entered displayed under Forward to, confirming that it's been saved, and that's it. Now, all incoming calls to your iPhone will be automatically forwarded to the number you specified. You can disable call forwarding at any time by simply toggling the call forwarding switch back off. Stay tuned for more iPhone tips.